Hi guys, may share lang ako. Binili ko sa Amazon, no? Ito. 4 packs siya, no? Ayan. Gvon. 4 packs. So, tatlo lang kailangan ko ngayon. May isa pa. So, pag binuksan mo yan, meron siyang 12 volt battery sa loob. Install mo lang yung battery. That's it. No? Ito siya. Si-share ko lang kasi tinit na aliw naman ako na gumagana siya. Ayan siya. Ayan. Huh? Ito yung bili ko. Apat na, 21. Bakit? Ba't ako bumili nito? Kasi nag-install ako ng bidet sa ano namin, master's bedroom. Na ilang beses na tumutulo pala, basa na yung sahig, hindi pa namin alam. So ito, pang-detect ng water. Tapos doon sa attic namin, nag-install ako ng 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 water heater. May pan yon, so dapat gusto ko rin malaman pag umapaw. And then may experience kami, yung sa AC naman namin, no, umapaw yung tubig, tapos gumuho talaga yung kisame doon sa anak ko. Kaya grabe, water damage. So, paano siya, gagana? Ikabit mo lang yung battery sa loob, no? Okay, so this is the inside. It came with its own battery. You just need to attach it. 12 volt battery. So everyone has its own battery. Just attach it and it's ready to go. So let's test it. Okay, so let's test it how it works. There are two metal sensors. There you go. When it touches water, it will send the alarm. So there is water here. See? Water. That's good. Let's test it before I put them in place. Another one. Good. There you go. Perfect. Okay, there's one right there. We put a paper towel because we were checking if it's still leaking. So there's one right there. Okay, so we're in the attic. This is under the AC, the vent. There's some light. I'm gonna put it here. Next, water heater. I put it here. It's dry. Okay guys, na-install ko na, no. Kamali ako, hindi 12 volt. 9 volt battery kasama siya. Na-install ko na. Yan ang itsura niya. And maganda yung rating niya, no. Ayan, ang taas. 4.5 stars. Almost 5 stars. No? Murang paraan para ma-detect mo kung yung water. Siyempre, kailangan mong i-monitor yung duration ng battery. It will last 6 to 12 months. So, during that time, dapat i-test mo kung pwede nang palitan. So, nagustuhan nyo yung quick video na to, no? Check nyo na lang dyan kung saan may available. Pagka meron kayong similar problems katulad ko na yung bidet, palagi tumutulo. Yung gusto kong, kasi nasa second floor yung restroom. So, dapat maagapan. I'm sure makakatulong to. Yan, maganda ang rating niya. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.